Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins at home without egg. Start by measuring dry ingredients and preheating your oven to 350 degrees F. Mix wet substitutes like 1/4 cup applesauce or mashed banana with milk and oil. Stir until just combined and avoid overmixing to keep muffins tender. Scoop batter into a lined muffin tin and bake for 18 to 22 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. When swapping ingredients, balance moisture and structure for the best texture. Use 1/4 cup applesauce or mashed banana per egg, or 3 tablespoons of yogurt per egg for density. Reduce added sugar slightly if using banana due to natural sweetness. For lighter crumb, combine 1 tablespoon vinegar with 1 teaspoon baking soda to mimic egg lift. Fold in mix-ins like berries or chocolate chips gently to avoid deflating the batter. Enjoying these egg-free muffin tips? If this is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple recipes for you. Quick recommendation. I found The Simple Path to Wealth to be a refreshingly clear book that changes how you think about money and smart choices, and it pairs with baking time perfectly for reflection. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Small technique changes make big differences in egg-free muffins. Preheat the oven fully and avoid opening the door during the first 12 minutes of baking. Use room temperature wet ingredients for even mixing and proper rise. Let muffins cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack to finish cooling and keep texture light. Adjust baking time by a few minutes when adding dense mix-ins like nuts or fruit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.